My name is Ahmed Mohammed Abdi, Economic Development Officer with SomReP Kumbi. I am here in Dolo farms, some farms that was a SomReP farm in Dolo. I am with Pura Afjar Adur, who is the owner of the farm in Barabarai. Through SomReP, farmers have gained access to all sorts of farming, like good agricultural practice, like getting funds from SomReP, like construction of concrete canals, rehabilitation of earth canals, farmland bush clearing. All sorts of help was given to the farmers through SomReP funding, and farmers have gained that experience from all those sorts, and now farming well and getting some profits through their farming. With the help of SomReP, farmers were given sorts of training that they can diversify their livelihood, like diversification of livelihood. Like Ura here is with me. He used to be a livestock herder, a pastoralist, and he used to own a farm where he only farms for the livestock. Now he has changed. Now he's doing farming through cash crop, all sorts of farming to gain profit from the farm.